Guro, ngayong araw pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba tayo makakapag-score sa T5 reclassification training. But before that, basahin muna natin ang guidelines para sa training. So, learning and development, L&D or training hours that exceed the minimum qualification requirements as defined in the CSC-approved QS acquired after the last promotion but within the last 5 years. Only L&D or training in curriculum, pedagogy, and or in relevant subject, learning areas specialization or strands such as but not limited to the relevant NAIAP recognized professional development programs and courses shall be given corresponding points. So, ang binibigyan ng points dito ay yung mga trainings after yung last promotion but within the last 5 years. Okay? So, ano ba yung ilang hours ba ang QS ng Teacher 5 reclassification? As per DO number 19 series 2025 revised, yung basic hours training ng Teacher 5 ay 24 hours of training in any or accumulative of the following. So, accumulative siya for the following curriculum, pedagogy, subject specialization acquired within the last 5 years. For the last promotion. So, after ng last promotion, 5 years, but with yung last promotion mo. So, paano ba makukuha yung maximum 10 points? Okay? So, kung ang QS ay level 4, dapat ang qualification mo dapat ay nasa level 14, which is 104 to 111 hours. So, pag may 104 to 111 hours, nasa level 14 yon. So, ang formula nun, para makuha mo yung increment, ay qualification level ng applicants minus the qualification of the QS. Yung QS, which is level 4. So, 14 minus 4 is, the increment nun ay 10. So, makukuha mo yung increment na 10, ang makukuha mong points ay 10, maximum of 10 score, 10 points. Okay? So, again, 104 to 111 hours, ang makukuha mong score ay 10 points na. Okay? So, paano naman kapag 88 hours na yung training mo hanggang 103 hours, ang magiging score mo nun ay 8 points. And then, 72 hours hanggang 87 hours training, accumulated siya, ang score mo ay 6 points. And then, 56 to 71 hours, ang score mo ay 4 points. And 40 hours to 55 hours, ang magiging score mo ay 2 points. So, ang minimum requirements na hours para maka 2 points ka ay 40 hours na training. So, and while 10 points, para makuha mo ulit, ang 10 points is 104 to 111 hours. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.